TEEClean Automated TEE Probe Cleaner Disinfector is the first product of its kind to be cleared by the US FDA. Designed exclusively for transesophageal ultrasound probes, TEEClean provides both manufacturer's recommended cleaning and high-level disinfection of soiled TEE probes. To achieve proper high-level disinfection, a soiled TEE probe must first be properly and thoroughly manually enzymatically cleaned. TEEClean, an FDA-validated cleaning method, removes the labor and time-intensive manual portion of this process. TEEClean automates the enzymatic soak that has traditionally occurred in a sink or basin. By removing the manual process, TEEClean significantly reduces the handling of the delicate transducer of the TEE probe, thus further reducing the chance for damage. To use TEEClean, simply place the bedside enzymatically treated soiled TEE probe directly into TEEClean. No additional steps required. Then, by following simple prompts on the color LCD display, the healthcare professional will enter information about the probe, disinfectant chemistry used for high-level disinfection, and if the probe passed electrical leakage testing. This data, in addition to other system data, will be printed on the reprocessing report at the conclusion of a completed cleaning and disinfection cycle. For the healthcare facility and technician, TEEClean removes the unknown that exists with manual enzymatic cleaning and provides an added level of confidence that each TEE probe is receiving the same care during cleaning and disinfection. TEEClean Automated TEE Probe Cleaner Disinfector is the new standard in TEE probe reprocessing and care. Unique features to TEEClean are validated and FDA-cleared cleaning method for TEE probes, 5-minute high-level disinfection of TEE probes, automated enzymatic cleaning solution TEEZyme, 7-inch color touchscreen display with vivid user icons for easy operation, data entry with integrated barcode scanner or manual keyboard entry, printed disinfection and maintenance record with integrated printer, electronic record logging of all cleaning, disinfection, and maintenance events for download retention of over 15,000 records held in memory, 5 nanometer filtered rinsed water, FDA-cleared Class II medical device, advanced vapor management system for containment of high-level disinfectant, full system high-level disinfection for added preventative maintenance of TEEClean. For more information on TEEClean and other CS Medical T-Complete Care products, visit our website at www.csmedicalllc.com or call 1-877-255-9472 to speak with a CS Medical Complete Care consultant.